Hey DailyDAV, this is Daniel. So it's 2018 now, and it's been a week since I officially started working here, and it's been great. Recently I've been working on some new video content ideas. We have a lot of good stuff coming up, weekly Q&As to answer any question you have about us, a monthly panel where we talk about recent developments in autonomous transportation and cryptocurrency, and many more. So really exciting, stay tuned and subscribe.
Hey, good morning. So yesterday I started the day working with Timmy on our missions app, and then I spent the rest of the day doing back-to-back interviews with developer and product people, and that's actually my whole focus this week. It's all interviews, bringing more good people into our team. Today I actually had another interview in the morning, but just before that, Noam and myself had a really great meeting with one of the largest utility companies in Europe, talking about potential collaborations, really exciting stuff. I will be spending the rest of the day working on new pull requests we received from the community and integrating them into our code base. See you tomorrow.
Hey there, Daily Davers, Alec here. Happy New Year's. Later this month, a delegation from Sweden will be coming to our office to talk about blockchain and autonomous vehicles. Me, Daniel, and Rachel had a sit down today, talked about the details, the schedule, the potential things we'll be doing. I just got off the phone with the CEO of a UAV company in America, which sounds very promising collaboration in our project. And lastly, tomorrow, another CEO of an autonomous vehicle company is visiting Israel. Me and Tal, we're going to have some drinks with him tomorrow, see how that goes. That's it. Have a good day, guys. Bye.